Today, we're walking through the procedure for use of the Salinization Desiccator. To begin, you must first log into Iris and make a reservation. Select the tool, click the calendar button, and request a time slot. 2 hours or so should be enough. Then press confirm and enter clean room. Once inside, first look for the appropriate saline under the bench. It comes in a small bottle with a red cap. Trichlorosilane is a dangerous chemical. It's reactive, can burn the skin, should be kept away from water, and it's a fire and explosion hazard. That being said, use this chemical with caution. Also be sure to acquire a slide, a dropper, and your sample. Removing the lid to the tool is tricky, and it's easier done by sliding rather than lifting. Next, put a very small amount of saline onto the slide. About 2 drops should work. Then, place your sample inside and close the lid. Next, notice the carved line that has been etched into the stopcock, and carefully align it with the outgoing tube of the tool. Now you must log back into Iris to start your session from the calendar page. After the tool's process is complete, come back to Iris and end your session. Then, you can retrieve your sample and you're done.